I got a bunch of new bonsai tools for Christmas. My box is too small to hold them all. So I'm moving tools out of this box into this box. That's what all that junk is, but I got a little saw, a couple saws, pruners, got some gen pliers, wire cutters. So I've had these. These are the new tools. Anyways, we're going to set up a new toolbox. And I'll let you see. Because this is a jumbled mess, but a cool toolbox. Alright, these toolboxes were too small, so I went on the Facebook Marketplace and found this beast. It's pretty neat. Needs to be cleaned up. It's got compartments for days, space for wire and stuff in there. It's big. So, for reference, there's a tennis ball. It's a big one. So, 8-inch bonsai tools. Size reference. It's going to work out awesome. I don't really understand this or how it locks, but we'll get it in there. I got everything in. Fairly organized. Some padding in here. Pretty cool. These little things close and lock pretty easily. Put in some boxes to keep the stuff separate. I do need to buy more wire. I'm about out. It all closes up. You can even lock it. I don't know who WJ Nut is. I'm not going to paint over that. Pretty cool. $15. Awesome.